Hi guys, today we are learning how to change your Discord password if you forgot it. First, unlock your phone and open the Discord app. On the welcome screen, tap Login to access the login page. Here you'll be able to recover your account even if you don't remember your password. Now enter the email address linked to your Discord account. Since you've forgotten your password, tap Forgot Your Password. Below the password field, Discord will send a password reset email to your registered email address. Next, open your email app and look for the password reset email from Discord. Open the email and tap the Reset Your Password link. This will take you to the password reset page in your web browser. If prompted, choose your preferred browser to open the link. Once the reset page appears, enter a strong new password in the provided field. After that, tap Change Password to save your new password. After changing your password, tap Continue to Discord to return to the app. Enter your email address and the new password you just created. If everything is correct, you'll be logged back into your Discord account successfully. And that's how you can reset your Discord password if you've forgotten it. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple Discord tutorials.